Hey there! Have you ever heard of chia seeds? You know, those tiny black and white seeds that almost look like poppy seeds? Well, let me tell you, these little guys pack a serious nutritional punch. In this video, we will dive deep into the incredible health benefits of chia seeds. So let's get started. Number 1. High nutritious value. Just 2 tablespoons, or 28 grams, of these little seeds contain a hopping 4.7 grams of protein, 8.7 grams of healthy fats, and an impressive 9.8 grams of fiber. To put that into perspective, the fiber content alone is about a third of the recommended daily intake for adults. They're also loaded with essential minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Number 2. Rich in antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Some key antioxidants in chia seeds include chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myricetin, quercetin, and camphorol. Number 3. May support weight loss. The fiber and protein in chia seeds can be beneficial if you're trying to shed a few pounds. The high fiber content, which accounts for nearly 35% of the weight of chia seeds, can help you feel full for longer periods, reducing the urge to overeat. This is because fiber slows down the digestion process and promotes a feeling of satiety. And the 4.7 grams of protein per serving can also help reduce your appetite and food intake by regulating hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Number 4. May lower heart disease risk. Chia seeds may also help lower your risk of heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Remember those omega-3 fatty acids I mentioned earlier? Well, chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that can help reduce your risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure. Number 5. Contains important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are also a great source of bone-building nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These minerals are essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis, especially as we age. In addition to providing substantial amounts of these minerals, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds may also play a role in bone health by increasing bone mineral density. This is supported by observational studies that have found a link between higher omega-3 intake and better bone mineral density, which is an indicator of bone strength. Number 6. May reduce blood sugar levels. If you're concerned about blood sugar levels, chia seeds might be able to help with that too. Studies suggest that the fiber and other beneficial compounds in chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great addition to a diet for people with diabetes or prediabetes. The high fiber content in chia seeds can slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Number 7. Easy to incorporate into your diet. Now here's the best part. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. They have a mild, nutty flavor that makes them very versatile and easy to add to all sorts of dishes. You can sprinkle them on top of your yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal for a nutritious crunch. Or you can mix them into smoothies and baked goods, or even use them as an egg substitute in vegan recipes. One of my favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding. Simply mix chia seeds with your favorite milk or plant-based milk alternative like almond or oat milk, add some sweetener like honey or maple syrup if you'd like, and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and create a creamy, pudding-like texture. Top it with fresh fruit like berries or mango, and sprinkle with nuts or seeds like almonds or pepitas for added crunch and nutrition. So there you have it, chia seeds are a true superfood that can offer a wide range of health benefits. From weight loss to heart health and bone strength to blood sugar regulation, these tiny seeds pack a powerful punch. And the best part is, they're incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily diet in so many delicious ways. So give chia seeds a try and experience their health benefits for yourself.